Hateem is finally open again after remaining closed during the Hajj season. If you're planning to perform Umrah, this could be your chance to pray inside Hijr Ismail, also known as Hateem. When I went for Umrah, I waited nearly 8 hours to enter. It wasn't easy, but every moment of patience was worth it. If you're wondering how you can enter too, let me walk you through exactly what worked for me. Start by entering through gate 79. As you walk in, you'll be greeted with the breathtaking sight of the Kaaba right in front of you. Then start walking towards Bab Al-Fath gate. The sign is quite small, so keep looking carefully. You don't want to miss it. Once you reach the waiting area, don't sit inside the golden barriers. Instead, continue a little further and sit within the white barriers. If you arrive before Tahajjud, you'll have a better chance of securing your place. Otherwise, entering the queue later may not be possible. Now comes the most important part, patience. Groups usually start forming at around 6 a.m. When you see people moving, don't panic and don't try to rush into the first or second batch. These early batches are often paused midway because the staff manage the crowd in stages. The actual Hateem timings are from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. During this time, pilgrims are usually allowed to enter in groups of around 30 to 35 people. Once your group is formed, the shurta will place a red rope around the group and guide everyone together towards Hateem. This is where many people become anxious. They start pushing, worrying they won't get a chance. But from what I personally experienced, there is no need to rush or push. If you stay patient and wait for your turn, the groups continue moving one after another, and everyone who waits is eventually given the opportunity to enter. After you enter, you'll typically be given 3 to 5 minutes to pray your nawafil and make sincere dua before the next group is allowed in. The moment you finally step inside Hateem after hours of waiting is truly indescribable. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone preparing for Umrah so they can benefit as well.